Imagine a whiteboard that doesn't just hold your ideas, but actually dreams them up for you. Google's experimental tool, Mixboard, is finally available in India. It's powered by their new Gemini models, and honestly, it feels like Pinterest and Photoshop had an AI baby. Today I'm going to show you 5 specific use cases, from fashion styling to product design, and screen record exactly how to use it. Let's dive in. First, head to labs.google.com to access Mixboard. You get this infinite canvas. Let's start with use case 1, concept art. I generated a sci-fi city, but here is the killer feature. Inpainting. I can just circle an empty spot in the sky and type, add a neon billboard. Watch this. Notice I'm using the edit tool. I just highlight the area, type the prompt, and wait for the generation. It understands context perfectly. It matched the lighting and perspective. I even swapped a vehicle with another flying vehicle, just by sketching over it. No Photoshop needed. But it's not just for art. Use case 2 is for entrepreneurs. I needed a product mockup. I generated a plain black thermos and a separate logo. Now watch what happens when I select both and tell Mixboard to combine them. It wraps the logo onto the curved surface. This used to take me 20 minutes in design software. It took 5 seconds here. Watch in action. See how it blends the edges? It doesn't just paste it flat. It respects the curve of the bottle. You can even generate variations of this image with a single click. Moving to use case 3, interior design. We start with an empty room. I simply draw where I want a rug, then a sofa, then a plant. I'll start by circling the floor area for the rug. Simple. Next, I outline the back wall for the sofa. And finally, the corner for the plant. It handles the shadows and the perspective automatically. If you're planning a room makeover, this is a game changer. Now for my favorite part, advanced styling. Let's build a fashion look. First, I created a messy mood board. A model, some silver sneakers, and some cyberpunk glasses. But I don't want them separate. I want them on her. Let's apply all of these details to her at one shot. Just select All, give the prompt. Finally, to tie it all together, I asked for a matrix green background. From a loose idea to a fully styled professional shot in minutes. Now, our canvas is a bit of a mess with all these experiments. This brings us to the final feature. If you click this transform button, Mixboard automatically groups your chaotic ideas into a slide deck. It titles them, arranges the images, and gets it ready to pitch. It's like having an AI secretary. Mixboard is available to try right now in India. It's still experimental, so you might see some glitches, but the creative potential is insane. Drop a comment if you're going to try this for your next project. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Simplified Lab. See you in the next one.